Today's engineering teams move fast, and production environments are more complex and expansive than ever before. From AI-assisted coding alongside modern practices like continuous deployment, developers need access to production systems in real time. But security teams can't afford to rely on broad, persistent permissions. We know that the risk associated with standing privilege is simply too high. The P0 Auth Z control plane replaces standing privilege with just enough and just-in-time production access. P0 is easily accessible to developers and meets them where they are, as and when needed. Here, an engineer is requesting granular access to AWS via Slack, down to a specific resource and entitlement, for a specified reason and preset duration of time. This gets approved and provisioned in a matter of seconds, all without them ever having to leave their existing workflow. Admins can also approve access directly within the P0 app, or even revoke active sessions in real time before they're set to auto-expire. The History tab provides a centralized view of every request and grant, who requested access to what, who approved it, and why, logging each session under the IDP-defined user, so there's never a need to reconcile shared accounts or legacy logs. The best part is how simple this all is to get set up. The Policy Studio is where customers can define automated guardrails, tailored to their unique risk tolerance and governance policies, down to the same granular entitlement levels we saw in the end-user flow, with tiered approval options that include step-ups, context-based, and risk-based automations. For central, scalable control across production systems, that is faster, more secure, and audit-ready by default. An effective ZSP program is only possible with a complete understanding of your privilege landscape. P0 automatically discovers and inventories all resources, identity types, accounts, and permissions, mapping every access path with the identity lineage for a complete view of where privilege exists in your environments. Within the posture module itself, P0 centrally surfaces privilege risk across your environment, so teams can easily detect, prioritize, and remediate findings like orphaned accounts or overprivileged users. P0 goes beyond identifying risk to help you clean up standing access and, most importantly, convert it into a just enough and just in time workflow automation going forward, getting you from identifying access risk to enforcing zero standing privilege with just a few clicks. That's P0 security,